want y'all know. So I am back with this very pretty, honestly I don't even know what to call this, but I just know I did some neon eyeliner and I'm proud of myself. So if you guys want to see me create this look, then make sure you guys keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Pure Beige concealer. Okay, y'all, so for today's look, I'm using my Take Me Back Super Zeal palette, and the first color I'm going to be grabbing is this pink. Alright, so now I'm taking the darkest purple from this palette, which is this one right here. This kind of turquoise blue shade and pack that right beside the purple. So for our last color, I'm taking this one right here. So now we're gonna go back and blend. If y'all wanna like blend, sorry, I'm kind of talking soft because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't wanna wake nobody up. But if y'all wanna like stop and blend before applying the colors, you can. Do whatever works best for you. But I just like to pack my colors on first and then go back and blend them. I don't know if I can really blend with this brush. So to blend that blue, I'm gonna take the same brush I used for the green. That's the face you need to make sure it's blended, because it'll look blended like this when you go like this. It don't always be blended. I'm really up recording at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I've never recorded at 1 in the morning before. I don't even know why I'm up, or why am I not sleeping. I'll be going to sleep early because I be having to get up too early. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with my Makeup Revolution foundation in F1. I actually have some left over on my hands. I'm gonna add some more to it just in case. Take Me Back Super Zeal palette does not have a matte white, so if you want to grab one of these shimmers from at the bottom, you can, but instead I'm going to go into my Princesa Azteca palette and grab this kind of cream shade and pack that on my eyelid. So to blend out this harsh line, I'm going to go into the blue first and then some more of that kind of mint color. Alright you guys, so I'm now going to take my orange, oh my gosh, my orange pigment from Mayo Makeup, and I'm going to take another packing brush like I just used for my eyelid and just pack it literally in a straight line like I'm doing eyeliner. If y'all want to go over this area again with some concealer before you put this down, you can, but I feel like it's pretty pigmented enough without doing it. But I feel like putting the concealer down will prevent so much fallout, so I actually have something that sticks to you. So I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara and my lashes, but I just want to show you guys my lashes that I'm using today. They are from Fantasy Lashes, and they're in a style Lashiana. So yeah, I will link her Instagram down below if you guys are interested in these lashes. So for my waterline, I'm going back into the green that we used earlier, and I'm going to smudge that out. So for my inner corner and also my highlight, I'm going to take this glitter pigment from Omas Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Dynamite. I'm really just using it at the top because if I dip into the actual pigment, it'll be way too much. It's still way too much. And then also I'm going to highlight underneath my eyebrow. Okay, so something really simple as usual for my lips. I'm going to take this NYX Suede lip liner. It's in the shade Brooklyn Thorne. I feel like I'm very slowly inching my way into liking color on my lips though. I'm going to take some clear lip gloss. So I'm going to very quickly add some bottom lashes. They are just, I don't have the box anymore, but they are just like the Ardell individuals. I'm just going to add like 2 on each eye, maybe 1. I don't know, we'll see. How y'all feel about that? I just mixed the neon pigment with my NYX mixing medium because I was like, should I add some more color up there? I just mixed the orange one. Okay, so I just went back and added some neon pigment on the top of my cut crease, and I actually really like it. So let me know how you guys feel about this look down below in the comment section, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.